I've been working as a matte painter and concept artist in the visual effects entertainment industry for about 11 years. You've probably seen some of my work and didn't even know it. I'm currently also a professor teaching at Southern Virginia University. I do like fine art, traditional painting using gouache and oil, but I also do digital matte painting as well. With each different media, whether it be like traditional or digital, as you change and explore something else, it can help inform what you were doing and make it even better or different. But it's super fulfilling to me as a mentor to be able to see and work with students, having that one-on-one conversation and seeing where you're at, your needs, personalizing that feedback to be able to help you develop skills and move to the next step in your progression as an artist, help you to reach your goals, get out there and survive and make it as an artist and living, supporting yourself and your family. And in some of the demos, classes, and courses that I will be working on and offering, it'll be teaching a lot of the foundational first, helping develop your skills, your voice, and getting that mileage needed to be able to work as a professional in the entertainment industry or as a fine artist.